Hey everyone, quick question. Have you ever been in a meeting when hiccups strike at the worst possible moment? Hiccups are involuntary spasms of the diaphragm. When it contracts, vocal cords snap shut, creating a hiccup sound. Triggers include eating fast, temperature changes, and sudden laughter. They're usually harmless, but can be annoying. Now, why sugar and water? This trick uses sensory distraction and resets the vagus nerve controlling the diaphragm. Step 1. Use a teaspoon of sugar. Step 2. Place it on your tongue. Step 3. Sip water and swallow together. Repeat if hiccups persist. This should take 10 to 20 seconds. Many find relief after one swallow, others need 2. The sugar stimulates sensory receptors, sending signals via the vagus nerve to the brainstem, interrupting the hiccup reflex. If no sugar, try honey, bread, or a lozenge. Other methods: hold your breath or sip cold water briefly. Now it's your turn. Try this hack. Comment below if it worked, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.